Python, most idiomatic way to convert none to empty string? What is the most idiomatic way to do the following? Update. I'm incorporating Triptych's suggestion to use strs, which makes this routine work for other types besides strings. I'm awfully impressed by Vinay Sajip's Lambda suggestion, but I want to keep my code relatively simple.
If you actually want your function to behave like the str built-in, but return an empty string when the argument is none, do this.
If you know that the value will always either be a string or none.
Return S or will work just fine for your stated problem.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.